Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's video, I'm going to show you how you can apply the word shrinking animations to the captions in CapCut Mobile. So first just add your videos and then just generate the caption. If you haven't add the caption, just click on text, click on auto caption. Now make sure that the languages and so the sound source is right, and after that just click on generate. Wait for the captions to fully generated. Okay, so after the caption is finished, just click on one of the caption, and here go to animation, click on the captions tab, this one, and find the word shrinking animation, this one. Click on that and you'll see this result. Just click on a check icon and you are done. So that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and also click on the thanks. Bye.